Hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general 7 days, 7 oracle messages for all the Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 27th of April till the 3rd of May 2026. Keep in mind these are general readings. This is not your personal reading, even if it is resonating 100% with you. Just take the messages as the guidance, not as a life changing event of your life. Okay, so it's behind. Whatever decisions you guys are going to based on these readings, this is your responsibility, not mine or my channels. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Overall energy for Capricorn people for this week. So we have the three of Ariel. Do what you love what you do. A time of great personal growth in your career or your artistic endeavors. This is the week for you guys to have great personal growth in your career or your artistic things. Working with others in a cooperative manner is going to bring you a lot of happiness, peaceful energies, and prosperity. So do what you love what you do, follow your heart when it comes to your career thing or job or financial things. Time for great personal growth in your career. This is the highlight of the week. So let me see the per day messages for you guys, Capricorn. 27th, we have the Knight of Ariel. There's so much to accomplish. Make a very detailed plan, being watched over by someone kind. There is so much to accomplish in your life, especially regarding a particular situation or direction of your life. Make a very detailed plan before jumping into anything new or starting or restarting something. Making a plan is going to be a wiser idea, and following that plan, being watched over by someone kind. Somebody's watching you, like your senior or maybe a family member or somebody who's close to you. They're watching you how hardworking you are, and they might help you in the coming future, but they're waiting for you to make the right moves and right choices and right decisions. Okay. 28, we have the 10 of Raphael. Love and blessings, Raphael, right? Love and blessings fill your life, harmonious relationship with family members, happily ever after. This day is super focused on family or people who are like family to you, and creating a very harmonious and beautiful kind of a bond between you and people whom you like and love to have around you, right? 27, 28. 29th, we have the 7 of Gabriel. Stand up for what you believe in. You guys have to you guys have to take a stand for what you believe in, and maybe other people will not be able to understand your point of view or your perspective, but taking a stand for yourself is required in order for you to move forward in a particular direction and get successful, right? Have confidence, have faith in yourself, claim your personal power. Now the time has come for you guys to claim your personal power and sit in your power and show other people what you are made of. Okay, good. Earth, you're made of earth. You're earth sign. Every one of us is having earth element. Anyway, so we have 27, 28, 29. 30th, we have the Knight of Raphael. Committed romantic relationships, being swept off your feet, situations or topics that make your heart flutter. So this day is committed to romantic relationship. If you're already in a relationship, if you're already committed or married, your connection with your partner or your spouse is going to be really beautiful. You guys are going to have a great day together. You guys are going to have great time together. You guys are going to talk about situations or topics that is going to make you feel like make your heart sing with joy and happiness. So enjoy this day. If you are single like me, then enjoy your day with people whom you love and who really loves you back, right? So connect with those people, those energies, and make sure your connection, your bond is becoming really beautiful and meaningful with those people and those situations around you. Loving and nurturing and caring ones. 27, 28, 29, 30th. First of May, we have the Magician. You can manifest the life you want. What you need will magically appear. Successful beginnings. Capricorn, you guys have to decide what you really want in your life and why you want it. Your what and why should be very clear, so that you can start taking the proper actions from your side in order to manifest what you really want, right? So this is how manifestation works. Understand what you want, understand why you want it, then you have to train your nervous system to get out of the survival mode and feel safe to achieve whatever you want in your life. Then take inspired actions accordingly. These two can go parallelly, like training your nervous system and taking inspired actions, and then boom, your manifestation is going to come to fruition. Yes, one more step: detachment from the outcome. Okay, releasing the process, the energy to the universe, and having confidence, having faith that it will arrive when the timing is going to be right for you. So we have 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 1st, 2nd of May, we have the 10 of Ariel. There is so very much to be grateful for in your life right now. So start looking for the positives in your life. Instead of focusing on the negatives, start focusing on the positives in your life as much as you can. Financial success and the promise of retirement. You guys are going to have some kind of financial success and the promise of retirement. You know, you guys might be able to start some kind of investment plan or saving more or making more money. So this time, this week, you guys can be able to start something really stable that is going to lead to a major success in the coming future and a beautiful retirement plan in the coming future. Rich and rewarding family life. Your family life is going to be really beautiful. So connect with your family, connect with your people, and have a good day. Have a good time with them. 3rd of May, we have the leap of faith. 3rd of May. Believe in yourself, have faith, have self confidence, Capricorn, that whatever you are trying to achieve or whatever you want is going to be yours eventually. You guys have to have the faith and the confidence to get it done. Listen to your heart instead of your mind. Your mind might be creating stories and scenarios that you cannot achieve something, you cannot do something, you cannot do this. You can do everything, Capricorn. You just have to listen to your heart rather than your mind. Do what gives you joy, right? Keep yourself surrounded with those kind of people, energies, or situations or things that makes you feel like you are being loved, you are being cherished, you are being nourished, right? So keep yourself in high vibrations. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys for this week. Love is best of time. It's just a song, right? I'm not saying this. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this week. Nine of Michael, your worry is unnecessary. You might be continuously getting worried about the future of a particular situation in your life. That's unnecessary. If you can do something about a situation, just do that. If you cannot change or control or do anything about a situation, then worrying about something is unnecessary. It's stupid actually. But I know it's easier said than done. But try to focus on the positives of life rather than the negatives. Focus your thoughts on the outcome you desire. Whatever you want to achieve in a particular direction, focus your thoughts on that, but remain detached. Like healthy detachment is required, right? Release feelings of regret, guilt, or worry to your angels, to the divine, to the existence, whatever you call it. So you might be still living in some kind of regret or guilt and or worry about a particular situation in your life. You cannot change the past. You cannot change the past. You cannot do anything about the past. It's gone. All you can do is you can be aware of whatever happened and not to repeat the same kind of cycle again. Okay, so that's what I have for you for this week. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste, Cappies.